So this one is nice and guided through. This one we're going to have to work our way through. So let's start with this one. And as I said, most of the time if you follow them alphabetically, that's the way to do them. So we're going to do them alphabetically with reasons to get our merit marks. So the first one here is A. Apparently I can find A from the information that is on the board. Get only one turn to answer a question. So who wants to tell me what A is? William. And what's the reason? Excellent. Alternate, not angles. Alternate angles, parallel lines are equal. Done. 2 marks. Good. B. Somebody different. Find B. What is it? And why? B is what's A? Okay, go Rebecca. It's 54, and what's the reason? Helen? Vertically opposite angles are equal. Got to know these rules. Okay, we go to C. What's C? Might need a calculator because what are we doing? Come on, guys, you know. Christina? And how did you work it out? Right, so we did 180 minus 54 minus 48 is 100, what was it? 78 angles on a straight line. Add to 180. All right, next. So that's A, B, and C. We're now going to D. D's got a few ways of finding it. What could D be? Katya.
Add up all of the.
Yep. Yep. So what is it going to equal? Caleb?
78.
78. All right, because exactly the same working as that. This time we use angles in a triangle, add to 180. But just as easily, we could have not done that working and just said, well, this one and this one are equal because they're alternate. All right? So we need to make sure that we look for easy options because I didn't even need to work anything out to find that one. And what about E? Ada? No. If I get rid of all of the rest of the picture, what am I using for E? William? 126 because angles on a straight line. Okay, so that was a working through one. What if we have one that looks like it's pretty near impossible, but it's not? And the reason it's not is we can be really clever and add in our own parallel line. So, if this is 147 and this is 35, where might I like to go next? Well, I'm trying to find this one and this one using the parallel line reasons. So I'm going to go here, I'm going to call this A so that I've got an identifier. A equals 35 degrees, vertically opposite. So therefore B is 35 degrees because they're alternate. Then I could go to here and say this one is, so C equals 33 degrees because angles on a straight line add to 180. And therefore D is 33 degrees because they're alternate. And then K is equal to B plus D, which is equal to 35 plus 33, which is 68 degrees. So the one trick, there's so many other ways you could find that. I could have gone from here to here and used co-interior. I could have gone from here to here and used co-interior. I could have gone here to here and used straight line. So many other ways you could have done it. In fact, you could have found all the angles around here and then just found the differences. And it doesn't matter as long as you show your line of where you've gone on your work, on your travel as working. So that one there would most definitely be an excellence in your common test this year. That's how hard, that's the top level of understanding that you need to have.